Hey, what's the name of the girl that Tyler had his first kiss with?
Miley Cyrus.
Wow!
Give it to me, bro.
Good
job, man.
Was she a good kisser?
There were 9.
Yeah, we were 9.
So yeah.
Was she a good kisser? Wait a minute, you have to explain that. I'm not
Miley
letting you
Cyrus?
get away with.
I worked with her dad on a TV show that filmed in Toronto, and so he moved his whole family out there with him because it was like we were there for like years, and so she came to set all the time. And we were the only kids on set, so we like had a connection, I guess, you know.
Yeah.
So then we started hanging out, and
Who kissed who?
I think one of our friends dared us to.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
cool.
Something like that.
All right.
Something
That's
like that, yeah.
awesome.
That's
9
cool.
years old.
That's a good first
Wow.
kiss.
Yeah.